Yes, it is possible for us to see $75 silver in the next several weeks. Now, let me define weeks a little bit here versus months. I would say it's possible to see it happen by the end of the year. So you might say that's kind of cheating a little bit. That's more like months than weeks, but it's not a ton of months, okay? It's a couple months, but it is weeks, and we could be surprised. Now, if that happens, it's not because you and I have gone out and bought a bunch of silver. Frankly, talking to multiple silver and gold bullion dealers and LCSs, they're really not seeing a bunch of buying going on. They're seeing a lot of selling going on. Most of them, they say that it's about even right now. About the same amount of people are buying and selling. All right, so 75 in the next few weeks. Yes, I think it's possible. Let me give it a probability indicator here on this. You know, the end of last year, I talked about $4,000 gold, and I talked about getting to $40 silver. Those numbers need to be readjusted up. I think we're probably more likely to see $4,500 gold, and we're more likely to see somewhere between $55 and $65 silver by the end of the year. That's based on momentum, sentiment, some of the macroeconomic conditions that are changing for us. All right. An example is the United States last month made silver a strategic metal now. So that means we're going to start purchasing it. Maybe that's some of what's going on, and we're going to start holding on to it. I think a lot of countries are doing the same thing because they're looking at a potential World War type situation, and there's a lot of silver that goes into weapon systems. So as Andy Scheckman has said on my channel multiple times, he's talked to a person that has inside knowledge, but he won't name him, that has said that there's a monster box of silver in the warhead of each Tomahawk missile. Maybe that's true, maybe it's not, but it's more than an ounce, okay? It's something significant. Military, country use, they'll pay whatever they need to have those weapons. They'll just print more fiat money, and they'll go buy those. So yes, that is inflationary if they do that.